Hey Ethereum! Welcome back to my new video and Takrim Media. Top 4 Best AC Compressor Driver Review. Number 4. Specifications, structure, booster pump, model number, GX, CS2W, power, electric, pressure, high pressure, brand name, LZHZXY, usage, air pump, fuel, electric, origin, China, certification, none, product numbers, GZ0848B, weight, 6.7 kilograms, dimensions, 21 cm x 12.5 cm x 24 cm, working voltage, 12 V, power, 250 W. Number 3. The SV08A AC compressor, part numbers 95201-63JA0, 95201-63JA1, B08A1AA4AG, is a high-quality 12V air conditioning unit designed specifically for Suzuki Swift models. This 4PK compressor ensures efficient cooling and is an essential component for maintaining a comfortable cabin environment. Durable and reliable, it's ideal for electrical automotive air conditioning systems. Number 2. Shipping policy, expedited shipping, FedEx, DHL, TNT, UPS to USA 7 to 12 workdays, to United Kingdom Australia 7 to 12 workdays, to other countries 7 to 15 workdays. Please make sure to provide us with correct, precise, and detailed shipping address and correct phone number. Order will be shipped out with 1 to 10 business days upon payment received or cleared. Number 1. The Bouvet Jump Starter Air Compressor is a versatile 3-in-1 device featuring a 1500A peak battery booster, a 150 psi electric air pump, and a power bank. Ideal for 12V car engines, it includes built-in lighting for emergencies. Compact and multifunctional, it's perfect for roadside assistance and daily convenience. 4.0. If you enjoy this content and want to see more type of content, be sure to hit subscribe. Thanks so much for watching.